This week in AI, a number that is hard to wrap your head around. I'm Joshua. Let's get into it. Anthropic is in talks for a funding round that could value the company at more than $900 billion, according to sources cited by TechCrunch. $900 billion, that is a 9 with 11 zeros behind it. The round could close within 2 weeks. If it lands, Anthropic would rank among the most valuable private companies in the world, full stop, not just in AI. This is not coming out of nowhere. Dario Amadei's company has been on a remarkable run. Claude, its flagship AI assistant, has been climbing in capability and adoption. The company has a reputation for safety research that has attracted both attention and investment, but it has also attracted scrutiny. The Pentagon has been in a standoff with Anthropic over government use of its models, and last month a federal judge halted a bid by the Trump administration to ban Anthropic from U.S. government systems. That context matters when you look at the valuation. Investors are not just buying the technology. They are buying the bet that whoever controls the most capable AI infrastructure will have leverage over governments, not the other way around. The fact that this funding round is happening while Anthropic is in a regulatory fight tells you how confident the market still is. And the company itself is expanding. Reports this week also noted that Anthropic is planning a significant office in London, its biggest move yet outside the United States. That is notable for a company that has kept a relatively low international profile. It suggests that even as Washington scrutinizes AI companies, the rest of the world still wants access to the best models that American companies are building. So, what does $900 billion mean in practice? It is roughly the GDP of the Netherlands. It puts Anthropic in the same sentence as the biggest companies in any industry, not just tech. For context, that is more than double the valuation of Intel and comparable to what some analysts estimate the entire global semiconductor industry generates in a year. Now, some perspective, not everyone is convinced the valuation is justified. There are critics inside and outside the AI field who say the actual capabilities of frontier models have not kept pace with the valuations. Others worry about the concentration of power in a handful of companies that are building infrastructure the rest of the world may become dependent on. But investors appear to be making a different bet. They are betting that AI infrastructure is going to be as fundamental to the next decade as cloud computing was to the last one, and they want to own the companies that are defining that frontier. That also raises questions about what comes next. If Anthropic reaches 900 billion, what does that mean for the rest of the ecosystem? Some analysts have suggested we could see a wave of consolidation where smaller AI labs either get acquired or fall further behind as the gap in resources widens. One thing is certain, the next 12 months are going to be significant for the AI industry. Funding rounds like this one are not just about the company raising money, they are signals about where the industry thinks the leverage is going to be. For now, the focus will be on whether the round closes and what Anthropic does with the capital. Expanding to London suggests they are thinking beyond the US market. That is notable, and it is something we should keep an eye on. That is a look at what is ahead. I'm Joshua. We'll see you next week.